All right, hello everybody. I'm going to try to make an attempt here to explain how to find an absolute location using latitude and longitude. And so the first thing I always tell my students is that you want to just take it step by step and move slow from there. So our first step, if we look at the top up here, is 40 degrees north latitude, right? I think the biggest mistake that students make when they have trouble with this is they see north and they move up to the north part of the globe and they start looking at these numbers up here. You have to kind of remind yourself that latitude lines are lat flat, right? They run east to west across the globe and they measure distance north and south of the equator. So we are going north from the equator. So here's the equator right here. And we just make our way north. And we use these lines of latitude. So 20 degrees north, 40 degrees north. Okay, so we know somewhere along this line exists this location that we're trying to find. So we move on to the next step, which is 60 degrees east longitude. And then once again, you just kind of have to stop yourself from moving over to the east side of the globe and trying to find 60 degrees because these are lines of latitude. We're looking for the long lines or the lines of longitude. And so if we look on top here, we see 20 degrees east, and then we see 60 degrees east. Okay, so now all we have to do is intersect these two lines, and we will find our location. And so you kind of run your finger or visualize all the way across on 40 degrees, and then you run your finger down from 60 degrees east. Remember, the lines of longitude are curved because our Earth is a sphere, it is not flat. And so if you run your finger down until you reach 40 degrees north, and you'll see that there's a 40 degrees north here as well. And you just find where these two lines intersect. Right there, where the fancy little star is. So real basic, I know, but I'm just going to put this online in case you need a refresher or getting a little confused. Hopefully that helps. All right, have a good day.